Alright, so here we are with the third member out of Tim's F100. Looking at the ring and pinion, well, mostly the ring. Okay, you can see on these teeth there's some serious wear and pitting. I'm curious as to how noisy this was going down the road. So when we drained the oil out of this, it had less than a quart in it. I mean, wowee. Wow. Just Alright, there we go. Cleaned up our lens a little bit. Look at that. Eesh. It's definitely not the pattern I would want on my ring gear. I'm gonna bust this apart real quick. It is the original carrier. Has a C1 prefix of 1961. Makes sense, it's a 62 model truck. So we pull this apart. Alright, so we have our caps off. You can see everything's kind of oil coated, meaning it got pretty hot because it's very ashy. Got these bearings and everything. So, getting ready to pull center out here, and I'm going to take the gear off and see how bad things really are. I mean, it's already not looking too good. We're already planning on rebuilding this, but we may need more. Look at the pattern there. Eesh. Alright, here's our flower, our ring gear and the carrier. And obviously this has seen quite a few better days. All that oil coating, bearings. They're coked up. The rollers themselves seem halfway decent, but they are worn and tired. The teeth, though, on this ring gear, ooh boy, we've seen some heat. They're chewed up. The pinion isn't better. It's definitely not happy. But we'll get that out and take a look at that in a second. But everything's really, really coked up and oil cooked because it was so low on fluid. Alright, so everything is now apart. Look at the wear on this pinion. It's definitely got some galling. Lots of oil starvation, for sure. Definitely gonna need a ring and pinion set. It's looking like we already have the bearing kit. We have all the rest of our stuff. But I want to price out what we have versus just getting a complete chunk, quick and easy. And we'll go from there.